Then she took my coat 'cause it was cold, and we took pictures with her phone. She left her Polaroid at home. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna be teaching you how to play She Said No by Boywithuke. Hey guys, this song has been kicking my butt. I have watched all of his TikToks for the past like 2 hours, slowing it down, trying to see what chords he's playing in his fingers, because sometimes he plays it with like a capo on it, sometimes he doesn't, but I found one where he doesn't, so you guys won't need a capo for this. And it was one of the live versions that he did. I found somebody streamed his live thing on YouTube, so I was able to watch it and see all the chords that he was playing. So I figured out the verse and I figured out the chorus and the chords for it. So yeah, it's kicked my butt, but we're gonna learn how to play this song together and it's gonna be great. This is one of his unreleased songs, so everything that I have here is just from his little minute-long songs and from his lives from it. So if it sounds any different when it comes out, I will do another tutorial for it and adjust accordingly. But let's go ahead and start with the verses, I guess. Yeah. Hello everybody and welcome. This song is not gonna have a specific strumming pattern because in the lives that I watch him do, sometimes he plucks all the strings like that, sometimes he strums, and sometimes he does the down, down, up, down, up. So whenever I show you the examples, I'll just do the down, down, up, down, up, because I just like doing that better. I think it sounds better. So in the verse, the chords are the same as the chords in the chorus, but they're just arranged differently. So for the verse, it's gonna be A, which is your middle finger, top string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string, 1st fret. And then the next chord is a C sharp 7, which is barring this whole 1st fret and putting your middle finger on this 2nd fret right here on the bottom string. And then the chord after that is a C sharp, which is leaving that there, but then putting your pinky on the 4th fret on the bottom string. Then after that is a G flat minor, which sounds scary, but it's super easy. It's basically an A with these two in the same spot, and then you just put your ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then the final chord is a D, which is all 3 of these top strings in the 2nd fret. But make sure you don't touch that bottom one because you don't want it to sound like that. You want it to ring out, so it'll sound like that. So in order for the verses, it is A, C sharp 7, C sharp, G flat minor, and D. So the way that you would play it for the strumming that I like is like this. It's down, down, up, twice on A, so it'll go like this. Down, down, up, once on C sharp 7. And then once on C sharp. And then 2 times on G flat minor. And then 2 times on D. And that is the verses. Now let's go to the chorus. All right, so for the chorus, it's the same strumming pattern that you choose, whether you want to change it up or not. And it's all the same chords, but they're just in a different order. So the order for the chorus is D, A, C sharp 7, C sharp, G flat minor, and A. And it'll sound like this. So it'll be D, down, down, up, 2 times, A, 2 times, C sharp 7 once, C sharp once, G flat minor once, and then A once. It'll sound like this. So we'll do D twice, A twice, C sharp 7 once, C sharp once, G flat minor once, and then A once. all together, it sounds like this. Now let's go ahead and try to sing the chorus. I'm only gonna sing the chorus because I don't know all the verses yet. After watching the lives for a couple hours straight trying to figure out the chords, I realized I wasn't paying attention to the lyrics because I was analyzing the ukulele so hard. Help me. Then she took my coat cause it was cold, and we took pictures with her phone. She left her Polaroid at home. I texted all my friends. I wrote that I was falling for this girl. Her eyes were glowing hazel pearls. I told her that she was my world, and she said, yeah, she said no. Yeah, she said no. I like this one, guys. This is fun. She said no. Woo! I hope that helped you guys learn how to play She Said No by Boywithuke. It's a really fun song once you kind of get the hang of the chords, but it's yeah, it's good. It's a good one. I hope it will meet our expectations when it finally comes out. I know his album was pushed back, but you know, we all got stuff going on, so it happens. But anyway, make sure you guys leave a like on this video, comment me what other songs you want me to do, and I think I'm gonna start doing more covers and stuff on this song also, because I want to do more than just tutorials for you guys. I want to do covers, I want to do my own songs, I want to do it all. I want to do it all! So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Whoop!
Is it sweet or is it dead?